This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the primary mouse button in the Bodhi Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my laptop here. I am on the Bodhi Linux operating system now. To change your primary mouse button, it's very easy to do. By default, your primary mouse button should be set to the left side, but you can change it from left to right or from right to left. First thing you want to do is open up the settings panel. I'm going to left click on an open area of my desktop here to bring up my menu options. Then you want to go up to where it says settings, and then you'll go straight across to the right to where it says settings panel. Click on settings panel. Now in this dialog box that opens up here, I'm going to go up to the top here and I'm going to click on the up arrow to expand this to full screen. These tabs across the top up here, you want to click on the input tab, input. Then you want to go down to where it says mouse and touchpad. Click on mouse and touchpad. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click on the little up arrow to expand it. These tabs across the top up here, you want to click on the mouse tab, mouse. And the first thing up here, mouse hand. As you can see, this one here is toggled on by default and it shows you the primary mouse button is on the left side. You could toggle this one on if you wanted to. And that changes your primary mouse button to the right side. I'm going to leave mine on the left side. But if you make any changes with this, for the changes to take effect, you want to go down to the bottom and click on Apply. Then you can close this box, and you can close your settings dialog box there. That is how to change your primary mouse button in the Bodhi Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.